Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Anduril secures Dutch contract to deliver integrated counter-drone air protection systems. The Dutch Ministry of Defense has awarded Anduril Industries a contract to provide counter-unmanned aircraft system (CUAS) capabilities aimed at strengthening protection against drone threats. Under the agreement, the company will deliver integrated air defense systems designed to detect, track and defeat unmanned aircraft incursions. Anduril said the systems will combine sensors, effectors and command and control capabilities into a coordinated network to improve response times against rapidly evolving aerial threats. The company stated that small, low-cost drones are increasingly posing risks to military installations, personnel and critical infrastructure across Europe. According to Anduril, the war in Ukraine and repeated incursions into NATO airspace have demonstrated the need for air defense systems that can be deployed and expanded quickly. The company said its approach places software at the center of operations through its Lattice command and control platform. Anduril said the Lattice system links sensors and effectors across multiple hardware systems into a unified network that autonomously assists operators in countering threats. The company added that the software-focused architecture would allow hardware integrations to be adapted and scaled according to operational requirements. The contract process prioritized rapid deployment of force protection capabilities while maintaining required procurement procedures, according to the company. Anduril said the program moved from contract signature to initial operational capability in less than 1 month. The company stated that the partnership reflected efforts to align procurement and delivery timelines with the pace of emerging threats. Anduril added that interoperable and networked systems would remain central to its approach as the Netherlands continues cooperation with industry on autonomous air capabilities. The company said it remains committed to delivering scalable systems designed to address evolving security challenges. Financial details of the contract were not disclosed. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.